This video is to demonstrate how to set up a Outlook calendar integration with NoviSign. We'll drag the calendar widget into NoviSign. We will choose one of the layouts that we have. Select OK. We'll go ahead and make this max size. We'll choose the data source, and we're going to select integration. We'll say Outlook. We will want to create a new integration parameter. We will give it a name. And a key, which these can be anything you wish. We will select login. We will log into our Outlook account. We will choose which calendar we want it to display. We can select new and upcoming. We can select the time zone and the number of events that we want to display. We select OK, and then OK, and it will display on our screen this way. Sign up for NoviSign for a free 30-day evaluation. Go to novisign.com and create an account.